Hey, Jesus the boy. Jesus you boy. Is who calling there?
Who is me calling there, boy?
Who's me boy?
Shortboss, Shortboss.
So are you calling someone like you
No,
call
I
for some
just want
chat here or
sugar,
some you
Yeah,
there's no you call him man little sugar. You call hello inside. Are you calling someone? Plus what you time by knows after one? You be thinking like the man
What do
are
you
you
want this
calling
sugar,
for?
what is it?
But by what are you dressed by?
Boy, I just put this thing over me head because of the Jew and them.
You dress up like a little scrape ass I think and this is on for sugar.
They just really need the sugar, so I just come out here. Just man, lock take that. Go and bring the sugar for me,
Alright,
man.
bye. Like, go look after this thing for you, bye. Like, go look after. Like, this sugar for you, bye.
Boy, if you only know it's not sugar you come for, boy. It's just his sister you come for, I just come for 3 days less. You got in there, hey, let me take a little nap and see if I get you before you come back.
Actually, so bye. We not much sugar, but I hope this do, cause right now we buy the goods yet, cause Christmas time and let me give you the crash grant. So, come collect this little sugar and go along home, cause the time is done after 1.
Man, even after, man, it's not sugar really come for you, man. I come for see your sister, man. There's me cat, but I come for see you now.
Who you come to see?
I come for see your sister, but they mean they put no sugar thing, but you could always say, but I come for evacuate. Go in there and just cash it, man. You know, I mean, I just want to tell you to just for it, you know, yeah, for the Aisha, man, but Aisha by fair.
Oh, so I wasn't aware of this.
No, but I didn't know shit tell you about me, but evacuate, right? So you're not pay, though. You're not pay.
How much money you got there?
Oh, you're not pay. 40,000.
That can't work.
Yeah, me look at escape, you get to the
So let me see, come.
But, oh, you got good.
You got nothing more.
No, me ain't gonna come out. They just a paper, man. They don't bring the cash for me, man, you know.
This can't work, but we gonna take this. We are going to sell and cup. Give me a minute and cash it. Hold on a minute, kind of like that.
Hey, hold on, man. Like come here with you.
Come here. Oh no, sugar shard is sitting in this.
Oh.
My sister sitting in there, so you can't come in. Just give me a minute and come in.
Alright, good. Hey! You open the door, boy. Stop me this man, you open the door, boy.
Is who's the man rapping on this door, man?
No, it's me, man. I didn't come for see you, brother. We was to go up on a little spin, man.
Spin? Me brother done sleeping. Plus you look like a little scrape. I beat out for me if I calm you, man.
You know.
Bye, Roy.
Wait, those days about Shortboss.
And you white Jeff, see, I don't know if you like, subscribe.
Comment